Hello students, in the previous video we have seen some of the properties of an AP, and in this video we are going to see some of the results that can be obtained using these properties of AP. If number of terms of an AP is odd, then we can say that the middle term is the arithmetic mean of the first and last term. First, let's see whether this is true or not. So when we take an arithmetic progression with the first term A and common difference D, then it will become A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D comma so on up to when n is odd, then the middle term will be a plus n minus 1 by 2 into d, comma so on up to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now here the middle term a plus n minus 1 by 2 into d, when you multiply a with 2 and divide with 2, then this will become 2 times a by 2 plus n minus 1 into d by 2. Then this will be equal to 1 by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this will become 1 by 2 times, we can write 2a as a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we can see that a is the first term, so this is 1 by 2 into a1 plus a plus n minus 1 into d is the last term. So this will become half of a1 plus an, which is the arithmetic mean of a1 and an. And we can say that the sum of terms of this AP will be equal to the product of middle term and the number of terms. So we know that the sum of an AP will be given by the formula Sn equal to n by 2 times 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d, and this will also be equal to n by 2 times a1 plus an. Now we can write this as Sn equal to n into a1 plus an by 2. a1 plus an by 2 will be the arithmetic mean of the first and last term, which is equal to the middle term as discussed previously. So this will be equal to n into the middle term, and we know that n is the number of terms, so Sn will be equal to middle term multiplied by the number of terms. So this is the result that can be obtained from the properties discussed before. One more result we can obtain will be that when there are three numbers a comma b comma c, then they will be in AP if and only if 2b equal to a plus c, or we can say that b is equal to a plus c by 2. We can prove this by taking a simple arithmetic progression with common difference d. Then if we take the first term is a, then the second term will be a plus d, and the third term will be a plus 2d. So that means b equal to a plus d and c equal to a plus 2d. So from this a plus c will be equal to a plus 2d. That will be equal to 2a plus 2d. When you take 2 common from the both the terms, this will be 2 times a plus d, which will be equal to 2 times a plus d is equal to b, so we can write this as 2b. So when you divide with 2 on both sides, then this will become b equal to a plus c by 2. So we can say that b is the arithmetic mean of a and c. So these are the properties and the result that can be obtained using arithmetic progression. I hope you understood well. Thank you.